Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off sound on MetaTrader 4 mobile application. To turn off the sound notification in MetaTrader 4, open the MetaTrader 4 app on your mobile device and log in first. Now, tap on the gear button or the settings button at the bottom right corner. Within the settings menu, go all the way down and tap on the settings option again. Now, toggle off the button right next to sound and make sure that it is turned gray. After you switch off the sounds toggle menu, you will then be able to turn off sound. Within the MetaTrader 4 mobile app, the changes should now save automatically, and that's how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more MetaTrader 4 tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.